This is the review on my 2016 Tao Tao db17. It's a 125cc. Not too much done besides some Protaper SE bars with some grips. Red anodized Kickstarter, more beefier one. Gas cap, and then a foot shifter. And that's how the shot came, so you see why I did the red parts, same with the top of the forks. For the bars, the original bars have 2 holes, and these are Klx ones. So we just drilled out the front holes bigger and used that, and we have no issue for that. Works good, looks good, feels great. All the graphics are off besides the front number plate, just has some stickers. Stock exhaust. Put an FMF sticker on there, it looks pretty nice. Fake license plate from Walmart, looks nice. And I had to have this on there, but when I power washed it, it kind of got jacked up. But a China bike have to have a USA sticker on it. The only problem I've had with it is it not liking water when you wash it. So what you have to do if you wash it is don't spray the car like directly, and blow out all your plugs and stuff, like CDI plug and just all your plugs, and blow off your coil. And if it has like a stuttering sound, just have it revved up a little high, clean it out, and you should be good. But other than that, it's a great bike. Rides really smooth. Stock suspension's really good. The left fork is leaking a little bit, but no issue with that. It doesn't seem like it's leaking too bad. Alright, so I know you guys want to hear it, so